Alright, before we start anything, if you ain't got them, hit that subscribe button. I want you to hit that subscribe button today. And I'm feeling real fishy again today. And what I got here is tilapia, which I'm going to grill. And I'm going to sit and I'm going to make me some grilled shrimp with it. But the grilled shrimp that I'm making is going to be very, very spectacular. And very, very different. So what we're going to start off with here is, I'm going to put a little bit of this all-purpose Greek seasoning on there. My fish and everything been washed off as usual. That's something you got to make sure you do. Make sure you always wash your poultry off real good. I'm going to also add some garlic powder. Make sure you always put a nice amount of garlic powder on there. You can't go wrong with the garlic powder. Also, some chili powder. I'm going to put some paprika, and I'm also going to put some oregano on there just as well. Well, the paprika, just a little bit. I ain't going to put no oregano. Last but not least, I'm going to put me a pack of Saison on there. You know I got to put that on there. One pack of Saison on there just as well. You already know. It's a must. It's a must. Always. Foreplay. Got to. If you don't, it's defeating your purpose. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to get ready to make this marinade for the shrimp. Now what I'm about to do is I'm about to make this marinade for the shrimp. This is olive oil. I'm also going to use some honey. I'm also going to add some chili powder to it. I'm going to add some oregano. I'm going to add some paprika. It's about a teaspoon of each one. I'm also going to add some black pepper to it. Last but not least, about a teaspoon of minced garlic. Matter of fact, a little bit more. Half a teaspoon. Teaspoon and a half. I'm going to take a quarter teaspoon of this sriracha hot sauce. I don't want it hot. I just want a little bite to it. That's enough right there. Half a teaspoon. And that's that marinade I'm finna make, which I'm gonna put the shrimp into. And I'm gonna take my skillet and I'm gonna add me a little olive oil to the skillet. Also with this fish, you also put your few slits in there. Put your few slits across the fish. Now what I'm about to do is, I'm gonna take these shrimp that y'all seen we put together for the marinade, and I'm about to make the marinade to go with that. The marinade is made already. I'm sorry. I'm about to take the shrimp, and I'm about to sit and put them inside the marinade that I said not to put together. Man, this marinade a bomb. A bomb. Alright, now what I'm about to do is I'm about to take this shrimp, everything I've been washed off as usual, and I'm about to sit and I'm going to add this shrimp to the marinade. We're going to get that coated real good. Real good. Have that joint looking real sexy when it's that time. In which I'm gonna sit and I'm gonna cook my vegetables in there just as well. And the rest of that marinade I'm gonna pour on top of my vegetables. You want some vegetables to have that spunky taste just as well, baby. Last but not least, I'm gonna take these vegetables and I'm gonna add these vegetables to this joint. Now what I'm about to do here, I'm about to turn that fish over one time. We're going to do this like this here. You can already see the fish looking just as sexy as possible. That's how it's supposed to look. Now I'm about to take the marinade shrimp and throw them joints in there just as well. Now we're going to take that marinade shrimp, that I put together. Last but not least, I'm going to take the rest of the good marinade and I'm going to put it on top of these vegetables. And a little bit of pork on top of here. Can't go wrong with what I'm doing. It's the best way to do it, baby. Don't never cheat yourself. You got to always treat yourself well. One thing about them shrimp, they don't take long to cook. So I'm going to cook them for about 1.5 minutes on each side. And after that, 3 minutes total, and I'm taking them joints out of there. I'm going to take these few veggies like this here. I'm going to flip them shrimp over in 1 second. You eat. I'm going to take them shrimp and I'm going to flip them joints over. You don't want them to overcook. They don't take long to cook. They overcook, they're going to be rubbery. You don't want them to be rubbery. I know I don't want them to be rubbery. I tell y'all all the time, if I can't perfect it, then hey, I done failed at what I'm doing. And yeah, there we go. Y'all already see what it is, man. Real tilapia, real shrimp. You know what I'm talking about? I'm talking about that recipe off the chill line. I'm going to leave y'all with this here, man. That's that piece there. I'm talking about put together real sexy. Real sexy. The only thing is missing is a negligee. There's grilled tilapia, a biltong, grilled shrimp with that marinade sauce that I put together with it. Man, y'all follow me, Jack. Y'all already know how the ghetto chef do it. I'm going to holler at y'all next time. And when I do it ghetto style all the time. Y'all stay blessed. I want y'all to share my videos and give me a thumbs up. Make some comments. Like I tell y'all all the time, it could be good or bad. It wouldn't make no difference. But I'm trying to reach that point. Y'all stay blessed. I'm going to holler at y'all next time. Y'all already know how I do it, baby.